Good morning dear student, welcome to the virtual class. In the previous video we have discussed about the diversity and the causes of diversity. What is the diversity beta? The state of being different from one another is known as the diversity. What are the different causes of the diversity? Like the history, geographical features, their occupational differences, languages and the religion. Now in this video we will discuss about the geographical diversity with the differentiation between the Kerala and the Ladakh. So look at the screen beta. Ladakh is the northernmost state. Ladakh is the northernmost region of the India, while the Kerala is the southernmost state of India. Now we will discuss about this through the another picture like the Ladakh. That Ladakh is located in the northern state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is known as the Union Territory. Ladakh is surrounded by the ranges of Karakoram and the Himalaya ranges, so that's why it is also called the cold desert, as it is covered by the glacier with the snow. Your Ladakh is also be known as Little Tibet, as it is located near the Tibet and influenced by the culture of the Tibet. What is the main occupation of the people of Ladakh? The main occupation of the people of Ladakh is animal rearing. यहाँ पर sheep rearing and goat rearing की जाती है for the pashmina wool. So that's why Ladakh is known for the pashmina wool. And what about the people living here beta? Mostly the Muslim and the Buddhist people are living in Ladakh. Now we will discuss about the Kerala. Kerala is surrounded by the oceans and the seas. Its one side is covered by the oceans while the another side is covered by the hills. Ladakh is also known for the trading of spices, so that's why it is known as the spice garden. यहाँ पर cardamom, clove, pepper, such kind of spices are grown. So what is the occupation of the people in Kerala beta? The main occupation of the people in Kerala is the agriculture as well as the fishing, as it is located near the coastal region. Fine. Now for the trading purposes, different religious people like the Jewish, Arab traders came in India and settled there. So what kind of religious people are living in Kerala beta? The Buddhist, Muslim, Jewish and the Christians peoples are living in Kerala. Now we can also differentiate it through the another example like their wearing habits. In Kerala, people were wearing cotton cloth throughout the year as it is surrounded by the oceans, while the people living in Ladakh wearing the woolen clothes as it is surrounded by the hilly mountainy region, so there is cold throughout the year. Now the another difference is about their food habits, as the main occupation of the people in Kerala is the fishing, so that's why the fishing is the staple diet, as well as the rice is the main staple diet in the Kerala, while in Ladakh the people depends upon the animals and the plants of that region. That's why the main food diet of the Ladakh people is the meat and the milk products. So clear about the difference about the Ladakh and the Kerala, beta? Now we will discuss about the unity in diversity. India is a land of the diversity in terms of geographical features, language, religion, culture, and tradition. Along with this ranges of the differences, there is also oneness, means ekta hai, and this oneness is known as the unity in diversity. Means beta, along with these differences in their religion, culture, language, and the tradition, people are proud to be an Indian. So this oneness reflect in our struggle for the independence from the British rule. So clear about the unity in diversity means, beta, that we are different in their culture, religion, still we all are the Indians. This is called the unity in diversity. So now after this, beta, your whole chapter is over. So please, thank you, take care, bye bye.